Joint limited liability company Belmash is located in Mogilov, in the Republic of Belarus. And truly is an advanced, full-scale manufacturing machine-building enterprise. Belmash factory is a resident of Mogilov Free Economic Zone, which makes it possible for the company to get extra tax advantages, as well as import tax allowance when the required parts or equipment from overseas are brought into the country. The factory's major business scope is the design and manufacture of DIY and semi-professional woodworking machines, machines for cutting construction blocks, as well as kinetic lock splitter series. Currently, the factory manufactures over 10 types of various machines and over 20 useful accessories. Every new item is being developed by way of computer modeling by the factory's own R&D department. Then come out the prototype models to be rigorously tested by end users, and it is thereafter only will these new items be carried out to perfection and launched into mass production. The manufacturing process starts at the blank section. All the rolled metal arrives to this area to be cut into the semi-finished blanks. The rolled steel, in the form of bars of different section, and aluminum rods are cut into blanks with the help of precision metal bandsaws. Steel sheets are delivered to the laser cutting area, where they are cut to form the required parts by focused laser beam, which allows to cut the materials with different technical specifications. The procedure is fully computer controlled. The complete absence of mechanical impact on parts provides for exclusion of their deformation. Presently, the factory owns and utilizes 2 laser cutting units. However, in the very nearest time, the factory is expected to receive and launch the 3rd, most advanced and powerful laser cutting complex, which will undoubtedly give the impetus to significantly increase the output, as well as boost the provided metalworking services. After the laser cutting area, the vast majority of crucial parts are moved to straightening area. At this spot, the parts are fed through the up-to-date straightening machine to come out perfectly flat. The metalworking area, the aluminum and steel parts are processed on CNC band presses, universal laces, and CNC lace and milling centers. The machine range of the factory is being constantly renewed and expanded, which allows to process and finish the parts of various configuration and difficulty. Thus, the purchase of the newest metalworking center helped the factory to start the production of solid steel cutter heads of new generation. At the mechanical workshop, drilling and thread tapping operations are carried out. After the parts and assembly joints have been processed, some of items are delivered to the welding area, where they are assembled and welded together in special fixtures to form the solid, integral units. After the welding, the ready parts are transferred to the powder coating workshop. Before the coating is applied, all the parts go through the surface preparation assembly line for the purpose of degreasing and obtaining better adhesion properties. The factory has chosen powder coating method, which helps to receive the utmost durable and wear-resistant coating layer. Plastic parts of various shapes and sizes are produced at Belmash factory with the help of two modern plastic injection machines by way of injection molding. It's worth mentioning that it's non-waste production, with the plastic remnants to be crushed and reused again and again. The vast amount of information is applied on the assembly parts with the help of high-performance flatbed printer by way of consequent fixation by ultraviolet rays. The assembly workshop is located on the first floor of the factory. At this area, the final assembly of the woodworking machines is made from ready parts and joints, as well as mounting and adjustment of saw blades, planer knives and electric motor testing. One of the most important things that Belmash factory focuses on is the stringent quality control at all production stages, from blank section to assembly operations. After the final assembly, every woodworking machine goes through acceptance procedure, including the obligatory test run in accordance with the technical requirements. It is only then that each item is packed and delivered to customers. Belmash factory permanently invests into the development of newest advanced products in order to come out with its products to new markets and find reliable overseas partners. Belmash factory takes active part in all large-scale machine-building trade fairs for the purpose of expanding sales geography, demonstrating new, innovative products to large scope of customers worldwide, and keeping up with the best trends in woodworking, along with the world leaders in the business. Belmash owns 2.5 hectares of their own territory, which can allow further expansion of the factory production premises, increasing manufacturing capacities, and looking into the future with optimism.